welcome back to day 10. Just wanted to catch you up on what we're going to be going after. So today I'm actually going to go out to some antique stores. I'm still looking for the perfect bistro table. We looked around at a few places and I couldn't quite find what I was looking for, so we're going to try the vintage route. Zach, what are you up to today?
Well, we have an exciting day out back. So today we're building a shower. This is going to be a multi-part video where we show you what we did and kind of go in deep with it. So I'm pretty excited about both building the shower and making that video.
Awesome. And then I'm also going to catch up. We are actually redoing our own home as well.
We're sitting inside it right now. It's called the Nestled Inn HQ.
Woo! So we just need to get back to the cabinet makers and kitchen designers with a few open questions. That's also on my to-do list here on day 10.
Alrighty, but yeah, that's it. Day 10. We got a lot of work to do. Thanks, y'all.
See ya.
Bye.